everyone, Sashikal, welcome to my channel. So today's Steal the Style has the beauty secrets of Kiara Advani. She made her Bollywood debut with Fugly, but she became a household name after her portrayal of Sakshi Singh in the movie MS Dhoni, The Untold Story. Recently, she was seen in Netflix's Lust Stories. She is pretty, she is bold, and she is talented. So be it for her skin, her beauty, her style, her talent, she has got millions of fans. So if you are a fan too and you want to know her secrets, how she looks beautiful and radiant all the time, this video is for you. Please keep on watching. A cup of warm water and lemon is the first thing for Kiara in the morning. She likes to moisturize her face with Charlotte Tilbury's moisturizer called Charlotte's Magic Cream. She likes putting tomato paste on face. She is quite smart when it comes to makeup. She applies less makeup in order to remove less. She removes her makeup with Johnson's baby oil. She doesn't eat sugar or salt and instead put lemon in her vegetables too. Kiara is fond of oiling her hair. She doesn't like experimenting much with her hair, but she likes hues of mocha, caramel and honey blonde in her hair. Messy beach waves is her favorite hairstyle. Her favorite hair products are from the Kerastase Reflection Bean Chromative range. She eats every 2 hours and prefers a morning workout. She works out every day and does boxing, kickboxing, functional training and running. She is also fond of dancing but doesn't like weight training much. She doesn't really use foundation or compact powder. She likes using MAC concealer for a quick fix when she is not shooting. She is a blush-on girl and her favorite one is by Chanel. She also likes using Orgasm by NARS for its highlighting powder. She also likes using MAC Studio Fix. Before using a mascara, she likes using an eyelash curler. Kiara never leaves her home without applying a mascara, and one of her favorites is their Real Lengthening Mascara by Benefit Cosmetics. She never leaves her home without her phone, sunblock, and her lip tint. Kiara doesn't like to fill her eyebrows in. Instead, she uses a gel to keep them in place, and one of her favorites is by Benefit Cosmetics. She is a lover of pink shades of lipstick. She loves mixing her lip colors. She likes using Marc Jacobs lip crayon. She is fond of using wine lip tints from Korean brand Untitled and Cha-Cha tint from Benefit. In her handbag, she likes carrying a moisturizer, a mascara, perfume, Neutrogena sunblock, lip tint and MAC face wipes. And when it comes to her lipsticks, she likes MAC Mocha and Huda Beauty's Gossip Girl. When it comes to her red carpet looks, she likes using a red lipstick by NARS. And to complete her look, when it comes to her perfume, she likes using Marc Jacobs Decadence. So that's it in today's video. I hope you like Kiara Advani's secrets, and as I always say, if I have missed any of your favorite actresses steal the style, please write her name in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to do that video. So that's it. If you like today's video, hit like. Don't forget to subscribe. You can follow me on my Instagram, Facebook and Snapchat, and you can find me as Punjabi Beauty on Duty. Also, if you don't want to miss a single video from Steal the Style or any of my other videos, please hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button. So that's it. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye-bye.